Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off or get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Quest Snipers? This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassins team. Guys, I'm excited to be here today. I'm excited to bring you continuing knowledge and value on how to continue to create your business credit, because this is essential, especially if you're a business owner. We want you to get out of the hamster wheel, the rat wheel of using your own personal credit. Your personal credits for your personal stuff, but your business credits, that's what we want you to do. Start laying that foundation, because they are more ability, or you have the ability to actually scale bigger, faster by using your business credit instead of your personal credit. But you need to do the foundation. You need to do the steps. You need to start creating little steps in order for you to start laying that foundation. Just like when you built a house, you want a steady, strong foundation. So like that, your house don't crumble up on you. Now, same thing with your business. You don't want this to happen, because eventually you're gonna tap out. And if you're using your personal business, there's so much, or your personal credit, there's so much that you can do with your own personal credit. But when it comes down to business, depending how your business is growing and what you are planning to do, as long as you have the plan and you plan to plan, you will be able to scale as much as your mindset can bring you, how much you want to actually scale in your business, guys. But hey guys, selfless plug right here. Hey, this is your first time on my channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you click on that bell icon, click on all, so that you'll be notified every single time that we post a new content. But at the same time, guys, I appreciate if you guys give me the thumbs up on this one, because I want to make sure that this gets to many more people. The only way that I could do this by you viewing it, by you liking it, and by you giving the thumbs up, so like that YouTube knows, okay, this is a great content, so more people need to see it. But again, please give us some comment too. We want to make sure that we bring to you a new, fast and interactive type of content and value for you guys. But I want to make sure what you guys think. How can we improve this? How we can make it better? And any other topics that you guys want to know. And I know that a lot of you are interested when it comes down to business lending. So put the foundation on that. Yeah, we could help you out. Again, we are the Credit Assassins. We have the 360 Business Vantage. Now, I'm going to continue talking about this, but at the bottom of this video is going to be the link that you can get your free scan, free business success scan. Find out what your business is doing. Find out how your business is doing today and what you need to do in order for you to start laying the foundation to become fundable and lendable. And what I mean by that is for you to be able to get money for your business, period. Because so much that you can go with your own personal credit score. But if you need help with your personal credit score, let us know. We also have the best credit blueprint, which will help you to start scaling, guys. Get to the 800 club. I have an 838 today, and it's not for sheer luck, because of sheer luck. It's because I worked and we actually tried all the little tricks, all the little hacks, you want to call it, and all the little ins and outs. We learned them, we know them, and we want to make sure that we help you with those. But let's continue talking about business credit. And when we talk about business credits, we're talking about you need to, there's about 20 items that you'll see within the success business scan that will show you the compliance that you are meeting currently, or what you are missing, and how to overcome it, because we give you the steps there and where to go in order for you to start working on it. Now, one of the main things that you have to keep in mind is when you get into some lending is that your business, not you, needs to show up on the credit bureaus. What I mean by that, just like in your personal side, you have your Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You know that anytime that you get a new credit, anytime that you get a late payment, an inquiry, you name it, you will show up. That information will get reported to the credit bureaus automatically. In the business side, that doesn't really happen like that. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It is up to you to go ahead and make sure that that is reporting correctly to all three credit bureaus. But the point here is all of this encompasses is you creating a pay debt and a credit score. You need to be at least 70, at least 70. And I know we talk about for so the score is between 1 to 100. Anything between 1 to 49, it is a very high risk. Anything between a 51 to a 79 is medium, and anything between an 80 and above is great, it's low. So, but here, in order for you to be able to look up and be able to go ahead and be lendable and fundable at the minimum. Now, this is just the minimum. You need to be between the 70 to the 100. Otherwise, guys, unfortunately, you will not be able to get lent on. So let's talk about some of the points that we know will help you to at least increase your credit score or your score, your pay score in within this bureaus. So some of the points is, number one, which will be make sure every single time that your name, not your name, your business name is reporting correctly to the credit bureaus. Guys, and this happened to us. Our name, the name of the company was the name of the company, but we also had the THE in front of it. And the THE was at the end. So guess what? When he reported to Dun & Bradstreet, they reported it completely wrong than what it was in our state and our Secretary of State in the state of New York. Now, for that matter, anytime that something was reported was not communicated. So my business, it was like it wasn't existent. So guys, that's what I need you to make sure. One letter, one space, one comma, one period, it will throw everything off. Make sure that your name is reporting correctly to all three credit bureaus. You need to be on top of this. You need to be proactive. You need to make sure that you reach out to them. You can Google small business experience. You go to small business Equifax and Dun & Bradstreet. I tell you what, Dun & Bradstreet, they're very helpful. They'll work with you. They're even assign an agent to help you out through your course on anything or any inquiries that you may have, to even collections that are shown into your credit bureau. They will work with you to try to battle them, to try to delete them if that's the case, if it was erroneous or so. But they'll work with you. They'll assign an agent that anytime that happened to us, anytime that we wanted to go ahead and change or update something within the Dun & Bradstreet bureau, we had the person to actually call. So guys, the other thing is you need to make sure that you have at least 10 reporting trade lines, and that's talking about between net 30s, revolving accounts, or loans. Make sure that you have at least 10. Start building little by little. You need to start building, but you need to have a mix. Not only of the 10, you need to have 3 revolving accounts. What I'm talking about that is credit cards. Revolving accounts is just like in your personal side. VP has a MasterCard, which is also a regular credit card. So you can use it not only for gas, but you can use it for other goods. Now, there's so many other business credit cards out there that we could show you. Once you go through the scan, this actually will show you all the funding capabilities that you may have and you will qualify for. And within, we show you all credit lines, credit cards. We work with more than 3,000 net 30s or B2B lenders in the United States. So guys, you name it, we could definitely help you out with it within the ins and outs. Now remember, it's 3 reporting trade lines or revolving trade lines to your credit bureau, but also you need to have 2 installment accounts. 2 installment accounts are loans. Anything that like not a personal loan, but a business loan or a equipment loan and so on. So you need to have between those 10 trade lines that are reporting, 3 of those will need to be revolving and 2 of those will need to be installment accounts. Something else that you need to make sure you keep in mind is that you need to pay your bills on time. Never, if you want to stretch it out to the max, is no more than 10 days before that bill is due. A lot of these net 30s or businesses or credit or revolving trade lines will give you a due date. Now, keep in mind that in the business side, there's really no collections. You don't get late payments on your credit report up to 120 days. But never push the envelope, because what that's going to do, even though that it doesn't report as when you're on your personal side, you have 30, 60, or 90 days, it will hurt your score overall. And remember, you need to be in a set between a 70 to 100 to be lendable and fundable. So don't push it. Don't push your luck, guys. And I also want to make sure that you guys understand that your business name, just like I said it before, it needs to match. This is essential. This is essential because this is one of the most common things that we see. People do not pay attention to the little things, to the commas, to the apostrophes, to the actual name missing one letter, anything like that. It will hurt the ability of that reporting to your credit bureau correctly. Thus, it's gonna affect you getting an actual credit score for your business. Now, guys, this is just part of those. Lastly, I want to tell you, and I want to make sure that I instill in you. If you have a business, you want to get lending, go on the bottom of this video. Make sure that you click on the link. Get your free success scanner. Get it. Why is this? This is going to show you all 20 compliance items that your business should be having or should be laying the foundation on in order for you to become lendable and fundable. We want to make sure we help you, because keep in mind that if you keep trying to get lending and you keep getting denied, even though that you may qualify for the next bank under their criteria of underwriting, that bank is going to disqualify you because you already had a disqualification in your file. Don't be that person. Don't be that business. Let's get everything right from the get-go. Let's get everything right from the beginning. Let's get everything right so that you can start getting that lending. And please, do not use your personal credit to build your business. It is going to affect you over time. Why is that? Because you are setting the cap, you're setting the lid on your business and not allowing yourself to grow and become prosperous and creating that generational wealth. Guys, I want to help you. I want to make sure that you guys understand that this channel is here to give you the content that you need in order for you to learn, continue scaling, and actually become prosperous at your business. Guys, do not forget, we are the Credit Assassins. We bring to you the 360 Business Vantage. Now, if this was your first time on our channel, make sure that you continue watching. I appreciate you guys, the loyalty. But make sure you comment. Let us know how we did, how we can improve every single day. We want to make sure that we bring something that is more interactive for you. And we want to make sure that we help you every single day with the topics that are required and that are going on in the world right now. We cannot be everywhere, even though that we do our great research. Remember, we have more than 100,000 hours when it comes down to business and personal credit. We got a great team that is here to help you. But guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon, click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. But at the same time, give me the thumbs up. Guys, thank you again. My name is Carlos Estrada. I am the Credit Assassin, and I will see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the